To the naysayers of the dozens of AI input dialogues on my index page at my website, carlgallups.com, in order to be properly informed on how the biases of AI actually work and how they are successfully bypassed, you need to read this quick 5-minute article at the link below. That article will dispute any challenge you might have against the information I have cataloged, because AI itself, in black and white language, verifies my accuracy in the proper use of AI for this kind of biblical apologetic page. You also need to know that I've been writing books on AI with a major Christian publisher with years of research into this over a decade before AI was even released. So again, AI actually verifies my method of bypassing the AI biases. And it actually says I have reverse engineered its programming in order to get accurate and validated responses from AI on every article on my Apologetics Index page. So, to the critics of my use of AI, have a look at my methodology for yourself before you criticize, and then look at AI's analysis and response to it.